Let's have some fun with leads now. We will start from stabs. We will use the FM synthesis right now, which is frequency modulation. One oscillator will modulate another oscillator. Let's start with the DSO and triangle. We can actually keep this one. And we lower the octave. We need another oscillator, in this case the B, to modulate the waveform, actually the frequency of the oscillator A. Let's pick a weird shape like this triangle metal. Let's keep like that for now. And what we do is to click on off here and go on FM from B. As you can see, you can do crazy things. We will keep things simple. Another thing we do is to mute actually the oscillator B. We can add some noise, of course. Everything should be done with an envelope. Let's put a filter. Everything needs to be filtered as well. And now we use envelope 2 and we use it as a plug sound. We can play also with the octave to see what's happening. So octave 2 is perfect. And again, if you want, you can add the oscillator B, but still with the envelope maybe. We give it a bit of brightness with this oscillator. So right now, it's all about effects. We go with distortion. And now, of course, we can use also delay. Let's use top delay. Less feedback. Also, we can do this kind of modulation on decay. And we will map it later on with the macro. On the effects part, again, if you want, you can add reverb. Here it depends how you want to modulate the sound. You can do afterwards, or you can do directly here in Serum. I like the Serum one, and maybe we use the envelope to modulate the reverb. And of course, EQ, we boost the high frequencies, we can boost the mid frequencies. Let's play it in context with the kick.